I think this question is very good, that like how can I do Reiki all the time while doing everything? So
Okay.
for a Reiki practitioner who is just begun, so you have to do your daily practice, whatever, like healing yourself, seven chakra healing, healing other people, etc.
Right.
And in addition to that, first thing you can do is try doing Reiki while walking in the park on grass, right? Slow walking. You don't have to walk fast, very slow, aware, and you are sure that there is no vehicle around.
Okay.
You're safe in that environment, so you can do that time. So your eyes are open, you are walking, and you are doing Reiki also. Reiki is flowing through you, and you can feel it. And if that is done, then you are in a different phase of Reiki practice. Slowly it is becoming something which you can do while doing anything else. Normally, we only sit and do Reiki, right? We are doing something different. After that, when you are at home,
Okay.
let's say when you are cooking something, at that time also you can do Reiki. Slowly, just invoke Reiki, let the Reiki energy flow through you, and you're cooking. So you are in a very positive state. And whatever you're cooking also is being energized with Reiki. So this will benefit not only you, but all family members, right?
Okay.
Once you are able to do this, then gradually, let's say you are in a meeting. So in that meeting also, you have certain intentions, some outcomes that you want. Okay. And while listening or even while talking to other people, or when you're just sitting there in the meeting, you can let the energy flow through you. You can feel that energy. And it will help you majorly, like, in a big way, it can help you. It can be a family get together also. That time also you can be aware. Now, you can't do in the beginning, like 24 hours, don't expect yourself to do Reiki.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
But in between, let's say for example, there is a family gathering. So in between, many times you will remember and the energy flows. And then you may at sometimes get lost in the conversation or in that event. And then suddenly again you remember, again you flow Reiki, like that.
Okay.
So uh, in between also. So if you're visiting somebody outside or you've gone for some work outside, in between, if you remember, you can just flow Reiki for even 1 minute is enough, So in
Okay.
this way, you're not only doing Reiki when you're doing seven chakra healing in the morning or evening. Anybody who does Reiki like this, who practices Reiki uh, like this, right? For
Yeah.
that person, Reiki becomes a part of life very quickly. And
Okay.
that person then it like becomes so habitual and you don't have to think about it. So
Right.
I recommend this to all my students that gradually it should spread in every area of your life and everything that you're doing. You can do Reiki when you're drinking water. Just before drinking water, hold the glass in your hand
Yeah.
and do the Reiki. Even for 30 seconds is fine, but do it. Then you drink that water. It will be energized drinking Reiki water. So, in this way, you have to make Reiki a part of life like this, slowly, slowly. Now,
Right.
those who do this, then Reiki then is not in their to-do list. Oh, I have to do Reiki.
Yeah,
It
that's
becomes
right.
a way of life. It's
Yeah.
a nature. Like you wake up, you do brush, you don't think about it. Similarly, you will do Reiki while doing everything. Having lunch at that time also you can do Reiki.
Okay.
Relax, let Reiki energy flow, eat slowly, enjoy your food. While doing every activity. If you're operating a machine, if you're driving, don't do Reiki at that time.
Yeah.
But at the other times, when you are safe and secure, you're having your lunch, it is a very good time.
Okay.
You can just flow. You don't have to keep your hands anywhere.
Okay.
Many people think that even only if I keep my hand, then I'm doing Reiki. No, it's
Yeah,
a
even I felt that.
a limiting belief. So
Okay.
you don't have to keep your hand anywhere. all the time. Means
Okay.
doing your chakra healing or on other points, that time you keep your hands. But it's not keeping your hands. The hands-on healing method is the first degree. It's for the
Okay.
first level people. Like once you move to the second, third level, you are not limited to the hands. Now it's not does not mean that you stop using your hands. You use your hands, but you're not limited to that.
Okay.
So then Reiki becomes very dynamic. That's what you're going to learn further as you do your second level, third level. I'll teach you many,
Okay.
many things like this. Now, this all these things comes with practice. But yes, your question is very good. How do I make Reiki a part of life? So these are the steps. These are slow baby steps by which you can make uh, Reiki a part of your life, doing it while different phase of life, different times of the day, and while doing different things, right?
Yeah. 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 But like when I'm not placing the hand placement used to like let me concentrate on that. But if I'm not placing hand, so I just have to concentrate with my consciousness over there, right? To the chakra.
So touching the body makes you more aware and conscious. So in for the
Yes.
beginners, it is that's why the hands-on healing in the first level for the
Yeah.
beginners, right? Later, it will not matter to you. As you progress, then it becomes more dynamic. Then,
Okay.
it won't be a requirement. So you'll be able to do it more dynamically.
Okay.